Okay, today we're featuring a certified 2017 Honda Accord Sport. All right, it's got 14,000 miles on it. Got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's crystal black pearl in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, driver's side is in great shape. All right, the Accord Sports have that nice ground effects kit. Got the nice alloys with the black trim. All right, it does have rear backup camera, dual exhaust. Got the chrome door handles, chrome trim around the windows. Really sharp looking Accord, certified 2017. All right, 14,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's take a look on the inside. All right, got the black on black door panels. All right, nice carbon fiber trim right here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it does have a power driver seat. It's got leather trim with the white stitching, but cloth inserts. Driver seat's in great shape. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, and in this middle console area here, you got the power outlet, little space to put some spare change. Passenger seat's in great shape. No problem there. All right, it is an automatic. Got another power outlet down here. All right, got some more storage here. USB port plug-in. Dual climate controls. All right, it's got AM/FM CD player. Got your display screen right here. It's going to have your backup camera. We'll show you that in a second. It's got your leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. It's even got your transmission paddles right here. All right, and then your Econ button. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 14,197 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, take you over here to the display page. All right, it's got the FM station on right now, but you can change the display. You got audio, current drive, history of trip, and clock wallpaper. Okay, there's clock wallpaper right there. Let's go ahead and engage backup camera. Okay. Once again, you got your AM/FM CD player here. Dual climate controls, okay. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. No stains back here. All right, same thing with the back seat. It's got the leather trim. All right, white stitching with the cloth inserts. The back seat's in fantastic shape. I mean, there's not even a wrinkle in this leather or cloth. This vehicle's been well taken care of. All right, got the center console that comes down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Carpet back here is in good shape, nice and clean. Got your spare tire down there, but a ton of room in this Accord. Step to the side so you can see the depth of just how much space you're dealing with. All right, let's check out the wheels and tires. We've got 19-inch alloys. Okay, got the nice black trim on here. Tires are in great shape, still plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2017 Honda Accord Sport, 14,000 miles. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in phenomenal shape, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.